So the third part of this numerical is are two lines parallel or perpendicular? Okay, so we'll check one by one. Okay, so first is perpendicular or you can call parallel. Okay, now in the last video, last video we have seen the different conditions for parallel, perpendicular and intersecting lines. Okay, so the first condition or the condition for parallel line is when the two lines L1 and L2 are parallel, the cross product of their tangent vector should be 0. The cross products of their tangent vector should be 0 means here tangent vectors are PL1 dash bar is the tangent vector of first line. The cross product means here cross product of PL2 dash bar, it should be 0. Okay, so this is the condition. If this condition is satisfying, means the lines are parallel. Otherwise, if here some value will be there, so lines are not parallel. Okay, now let us check here. So here the tangent vectors we will write here. So PL1 dash bar cross product PL2 dash bar is equal to, now we'll write here first I, J, K, then the coordinates here PL1 is this one, 4I, 4J minus 6K. Okay, so here 4 minus 6, then here this one, so PL2 dash, here this is PL2 dash bar is nothing but minus 4I plus 6J plus 6K. Okay, so minus 4 plus 6 plus 6. Then you have to do the cross product, you have to do here some calculations. So here I in bracket, now 4 into 6 is 24 plus, now here minus is there but minus and this minus will get plus. Okay, so minus 6 into 6 is minus 36, so minus will get plus, so here 36 will be there. Now plus J in bracket, 4 into 6 is 24 and minus here minus 4 into minus 6, minus 4 minus 6 is minus 24. Okay, sorry, plus 24, so this minus sign is already there, so plus 24 will write here. Okay, then K plus K in bracket, now 4 into 6 is 24. Okay, and minus, now 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 is minus 16, so minus will plus 16. Okay, now here we will write 60I, now plus 24 minus 24 will get cancelled, now here plus, now with the 24 plus 16, so 24 plus 16 is 40K. Okay, now as it is not equal to 0, okay, our condition is it should be 0, so the lines are parallel. As it is not equal to 0, the lines are not parallel. Okay, so you can write here lines are not parallel. Okay, the next condition is, second thing is whether the lines are perpendicular. Okay, so for perpendicular lines, condition is the dot product. Okay, the dot product of the tangent vector should be 0. Okay, so dot product means here tangent vectors are PL1 dash bar dot PL2 dash bar, it should be 0. If it is 0, then the lines are perpendicular, otherwise lines are not perpendicular. This is the condition. Now let us check this condition. So PL1 dash bar dot product PL2 dash bar is equal to, now dot product we will write here PL1 as 4i plus 4j minus 6k dot product. Now minus 4i plus 6j plus 6k. Okay, now we'll multiply this I into I. Okay, so 4i into minus 4i, so I into I will get 1, so 4 into minus 4. Okay, now here 4 into 6 plus 4 into 6, now plus in bracket, now minus 6 into this 6. Okay, so here it will be the bracket minus 6 into 6. Now 4 into minus 4, it is 6 minus 16 plus 24 minus 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, so if you solve it, you will get here minus 28. As it is not equal to 0, means lines are not perpendicular. Now your lines are not perpendicular, so the third next thing, are the lines parallel or perpendicular? Both the lines neither parallel nor perpendicular. Now next is, are the lines intersecting? Number 4, lines are not perpendicular. Okay, now number 4, are the lines intersecting? Okay, now we have to check whether the lines are intersecting or not. So here the condition is, if the lines are intersecting, then at point of intersection PL1 should be equal to PL2. Okay, so at point of intersection, both the lines, equation of both the lines should be equal. Okay, now from parametric equations, one and 2. Okay, so here we have derived the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is 327 plus u44 minus 6, and equation 2 is here 734 plus u minus 466. Okay, so these are two equations. From these equations we'll check whether we'll equate both the equations. Okay, so here 127 plus u 44 minus 6. Now here to make a change, equation number 2, here instead of u we will put here v to differentiate the lines. Okay, just this is a parameter. Okay, it may be u, v, w, whatever. Okay, so we are writing here v for second line, as we have written v for u for first line. Okay, so we'll write here is equal to, now second parametric equation is 374 plus v minus 466. Okay, now we'll equate these two equations. Okay, so 1 into 4u is equal to 3 in 1 plus 4u is equal to 3 plus, and here minus 4 into v minus 4v. Okay, so we'll write here 1 plus 4u is equal to 3 minus 4v, 3 minus 4v. Second, 2 plus u into 4, 4u is equal to 7. Now plus 6v. Okay, now third equation, 7 minus 6u is equal to 4 plus v into 6 is 6v. Okay, so these are the three equations. Now from this equation we can write here 4u plus 4v is equal to, now 3 minus 2. This 4v will come here positive. Okay, so 4u plus 4v is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Now from this equation 4u plus minus 6v is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5. Now from this equation minus 6u plus minus 6v is equal to 4 minus 4 0. So you can write here 6u plus 6v is equal to 0. Okay, so here these are the equations. You can call it as A, B and C, these three equations. Then here three equations are there, you can just solve these three equations. Okay, so if two lines L1 and L2 are intersecting, then these equations A, B and C should satisfy. Okay, so let us solve equations, these any two equation. So as we are solving this equation B and C, equations B and C, just we will add equation B and C. So 4u minus 6v, okay, plus 6u plus 6v is equal to now 5. Sorry, I made one mistake here. Yes, here 7 is there. 7 minus 6u. 7 minus 6u is equal to 4 plus 6v. Yeah, so here it will be, instead of 0 it is 4 minus 3, it will be here minus 3, and here it will be plus 3. Okay, so 5 plus 3. So now here 6 minus 6v plus 6v will get cancelled. So you will get 10u plus, sorry, 4u plus 6u is 10u is equal to 8. So your u will be 0.8. Okay, now as u is equal to 0.3, so in any equation if you substitute the value of u, so let us put the value of u in equation C. Okay, so 6 into u plus 6v is equal to 3. This is equation. So 6 into 0.8 plus 6v is equal to 3. So if you solve it, you will get v is equal to minus 0.3. Okay, so it will be minus 0.3. Now this is the value of v. Now substitute. Okay, so put u and v in equation